On to the next. Georgia avec Rakotomavo. 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 Did I get it right? Yes, Rakotomavo.
My partner is talented.
Le talent avec qui je suis en concurrence, je dirais qu'il est assez performant. Et tous les deux partageons de toute façon la même performance. Mais c'est une bataille, donc on se doit de donner le mieux de soi-même.
Puis chanter la chanson No Air.
No Air is a bit of love song.
Hey! Georgia avec Rakotomavo. How are you?
Fine.
Good? Nice.
Nice to see you today.
Same here.
Yeah.
Same here.
Comment se passe la préparation de la bataille? Je dirais qu'elle se passe très bien. Mon binôme et moi, nous sommes à une certaine harmonie.
Someone on my team asked me, why did I pair these two together? I said, you should stop asking me. I came to put up a show, and that's what you will get. I mean, when you have talented people in the room, it's only fair that there's healthy competition. The only downside at the moment is Twani is really struggling with his lyrics. Georgia, on the other hand, doesn't speak a word of English as far as I know. She speaks French, but she's singing this English song. Look, at this point, I want to stand up and clap for that woman. But then again, let's see what happens on the D-Day.
If I should die before I wake, it's 'cause you took my breath away. Losing you is like living in a world with no air. Oh,
I'm here alone, do you wanna leave? My heart won't move, it's incomplete. Wish there was a way that I can make you understand. Yeah.
but how do you expect me to live alone with just it? 'Cause my world revolves so wonder it's so hard for me to breathe.
I walked, I ran, I jumped, I flew. I love to ground, the flow to you. There's no gravity to hold me down for real.
But somehow I'm still alive inside. You took my breath, but I survived. I don't know how, but I don't even care. So how do you expect me to live alone with just me? 'Cause my world revolves so wide away, so hard for me to breathe.
Tell me how this is living no air. Can't live in no air. It's how I feel whenever you're in there. It's no air, no air. Got me how you in the water so deep. Tell me how you gonna be without me. If you ain't here, I just can't breathe. It's no air, no air.
Got me high in the water so deep.
Tell me how you gonna be without me.
If you leave here, I just can't breathe. It's no air, no air.
Beautiful. Done. Absolutely beautiful. Done. Twani and Georgia. All right. Team Yemi, you do have a job to do.
Yes, I
Give
do.
us the thoughts about their performances tonight.
You see what you guys are doing? You just put me in the middle of all of this.
You're both amazing. Like, Twan, you're unique. Your sound is very unique. And you, Georgia, amazing. Tonight I will be saving Georgia.
She doesn't speak English.
She-
She doesn't speak English, but she sang an English song so well. I think that is worth commending.
All right, you have been saved. Georgia, congratulations. Make your way
Thank
off the
you.
stage, and all the best of luck to you. Twani, this could be the end of the road for you, but we do not know, because you could be saved in this competition by one of the coaches if they decide to press that button. In the meantime, please make your way off the stage.